There's been a lot of debate about whether or not A+ content affects SEO on Amazon. Hi Amazon sellers, this is Ittifa from Boost on Amazon. In this episode, we will disclose how Amazon A+ content impacts product SEO. Amazon has publicly stated that Amazon content does not impact on Amazon SEO. But under the Amazon A+ content module, there is a box named image keywords to include up to 100 keywords. It says improve organic sales and traffic. This means your provided keywords will impact into your product SEO. We have tested this ourselves and found that A+ content does indeed have an effect on SEO. Let us give you an example of that. Firstly, we are searching with this spaniel phrase. Our target is to find our item with this keyword. As you can see, the keyword is relevant for mirror product. But unfortunately, it's an Spanish language. So, we didn't include it on our Amazon product detail page. If we can't find our item, we will add this keyword on our product's A+ module backend search term. After 2 days, we will check whether the same keyword is performing for the item or not. So, let's search with this keyword on Amazon.com. It means make a vanity mirror in the English language. Okay, you can see our item is not under this Amazon search results. Now we will go back to the Seller Central and add these Spanish keywords under an A+ module back in keyword box. So let's move to the screen. All set. Amazon algorithm takes time to set. We have to wait at least 48 hours to complete the physical test. So, let's see you after 2 days. Hello Amazon sellers, welcome back. Today before we had included some Spanish keywords in our listing A+ module backend search terms. Now we will check if the item is searchable with this keyword. Hopefully the item was indexed under that keyword. Firstly, we are going to Amazon.com. Let's search with the same Spanish keyword. So, see, our item is now showing on the first page. It's because of the simple change we made in the A+ module. We applied this keyword on our backend keyword box as alt text. Now, the item is available on the first page with this keyword, which is miracle for us. But this is how Amazon SEO works. You should include your backend keywords in your A+ descriptions. Per images gives you a space to provide 100 characters in the backend, which is a huge opportunity to rank better organically. Just think about it. If you're losing better SEO performance due to lack of concentration of your listing. So from now, we believe you will fill up these search term boxes. This experiment proved that Amazon A+ content does have an impact on Amazon SEO. It helps to rank items organically. Our target is accomplished. We showed you why the Amazon A+ module's backend search term is important. Please don't damn care and think about it. Hopefully, before the next episodes, you will fulfill all item-related keyword characters on your A+ page module. But if you still don't know or are feeling confused to take the first step, please mail us or comment below. We will provide you the best solution. Please check our website www.boostonamazon.com. If you like this video, smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Boost on Amazon and press the bell icon so that you can't miss any updates. I will be back with something special and informative about Amazon. Till then, tata, take care, bye bye, see you soon.